Welcome to another episode of Neighborhood Talk. Today is very beautiful. Look, the weather is scorching. It's amazing. So, what's the plan today? Today is nice. So, my plan is just to mooch around the area because I don't have enough time to travel somewhere to create content. So, I just want to show you around. I want to do a bit of mooching, have a little drink. Probably luckily if I can get some locals to talk to us today. So in the UK they call it a heat wave because the weather is about 26 degrees Celsius. It's very hot, you know, but I'm from Ghana, so the weather is okay. You know, I'm wearing a tank top which I purchased from TK Maxx today. It was just $9.99. It's not too expensive, but hey, that's it, you know. Right, bro? How is it going, man? Weather is amazing. I'm just doing a little bit of YouTube, man. Of course, man. Has to be done. Do you want to say hello to my YouTubers?
Of course, man.
This is a personal trainer, so if you want to contact him, I'll put his details below.
That's it.
So just contact him. You get some nice body for this summer, man.
Anywhere you are in Port Z, and I'm in and around Bristol, man. Anywhere.
Yep. Contact him. I'll put his details below.
That's it.
So
right
if you want to contact him,
Mind V Pain, get in contact.
That's it.
Instagram as well.
Yeah.
Right in there. Mind V Pain.
Do you see the name?
There you go.
Let me get it closer for you, man. Yeah,
cool.
that's it, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, that's what you do, man. You support the local businesses, you know. So please do contact him if you want to get some body for this summer. And you know what? Let's continue the vlog. So yeah, right. So let's continue the vlog. At the moment, I'm just going to the shop. I'm going to get some groceries and some beer, you know, for later. You know, sometimes it's good, you know, when the weather is hot, you don't drink prosecco or anything because it's too hot. So you need to drink something refreshing, something nice. So I'm going to get a beer, probably one can, you know, just to chill around while I embrace this amazing day. So we just went to get the groceries. Hopefully we can find somewhere on the marina and have a nice drink. So let's continue this vlog. So just walking around now to see if I could get to the shop and get some the drink, as I didn't get a drink on the previous shop. So hopefully we can get something for you guys to view. And this is a Port Z Marina at the moment. Right, so in front of me there, there's a lot of shop there. So if you want to grab a coffee, you can grab a coffee. Or if you also want to grab a drink, you can grab a drink. Yeah, so let's continue this neighborhood tour. Like I said, the weather is scorching today and the sunshine is there. I'm using an ND filter, right? So if you see me positioning the camera in an odd way, because when I turn the camera this way, you won't be able to see me properly. So that's the only reason why I'm positioning the camera this way instead of showing you this gorgeous marina, right? So we're getting closer to where we want to be, and where we actually want to be is down there. Let me show you so I can see where we want to sit. Yeah, because it's not busy today because I believe a lot of people at work, so it might be the best to sit somewhere quiet and talk to you guys about this beautiful sunny day. It's scorching, it's really hot, it's really hot today. So here you can get coffee and cakes, and also in front of me there there's a beautiful fish and chips shop, and which is called the Sea Rock. I will show you shortly. Right,
Lovely day.
Lovely day, it's gorgeous, right?
Gorgeous,
So
yeah.
you're having a nice day?
Yeah, of course we are. Having a
Just
lovely
the-
breakfast,
Nice.
beautiful weather, by the water. What do you not love?
Yeah, just doing a little bit of YouTube.
See you on YouTube.
Yeah, cheers. Right, so this is Sea Rock. They do amazing fish and chips, so if you want to grab a fish and chips, why not? Right, hiya. So this is what I was telling you, that sometimes when people stop to talk to you, give them that time to show them that you care, because you guys watching my content and subscribing and growing this channel, so I really appreciate your time you take to talk to me. And if you're watching this, please, thank you, I appreciate you. All right, this is Coop. This is Coop. If you want to grab a drink, you can grab a drink here. So the plan is to walk down there to sit somewhere to grab a drink, then after that we can continue this neighborhood tour. So in front of me there's Sea Rock, and also Costa if you want to go grab a coffee, and also Coop if you want to grab some groceries or some drinks, cold drinks and also hot drinks. Right, let's continue this vlog now. Quite beautiful day, beautiful day. Right, I think we still recording, yeah, because I can see the light beeping, because you can't trust this GoPro. Yeah, it's definitely recording. Right, so now we're on the hunt to get a nice seat to grab a drink. Yeah, the weather is hot, so you have to make sure you drink a lot of fluid. Please do if you haven't been drinking water, because it's very important, because you have to stay hydrated, right? Yeah. All right, so far so good. Please, I want to ask you politely, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take the moment and hit the subscribe button, and also give us the like if you're enjoying this video. Thank you very much. Yeah. Right. So, oh my god, somebody is sitting on my on my bench. This is where I want to sit. There's a nice lot there sitting on my bench, so we have to find somewhere to sit and relax. So what I'll do is I'll find somewhere, probably not the bench, then to sit somewhere neat, somewhere relaxing, so that we can continue or have a drink. The thing is, since there's no bench, I think it's better to continue the vlog, probably take you to my usual corner where I normally sit, and then we can probably have a drink from there, right? Yeah, because I really don't want to sit on here, so I think we just have to continue the vlog till we find somewhere nice to sit. All right, so let's do it. Have about 15 minutes to get to the next area, so hopefully we can get there on time and also have the drink before my time lapse. Right. So in front of me there, that's a HNW. It's kind of like a restaurant. I don't know whether it's French or Italian, but they do amazing food as well. If you want to sit, grab a drink or take away, feel free. And here, this is where they launch the boats, like all those big yachts seen on the marina. That's where they launched them. I think they just launching one right now. Okay, right, what a beautiful day. I don't know whether we should sit here and grab a drink, but I think the best way, let's get to our destination and grab a drink there. Right, weather is scorching, it's hot, it's really hot today. I'm getting tan, right? I just want to get some tan, yeah, before I go on holiday. Right, we almost there, getting there. So we'll be planning to get to is that part of the marina. I can zoom, so it's at the end of that corner. Hopefully nobody's sitting there, so that we can sit and have a drink, probably have a little chat with you guys before, yeah, the battery ran out. But so far we have about 81%, so I think we have enough battery. We don't have to use the power bank today, right? And if you've been to somewhere where they have this kind of marinas, please do let me know, or just comment below. And also, if you've been on a yacht or been on a boat before, also please do let me know in the comment section. All right, and also please do let me know in the comment below wherever you're watching this vlog from, and if there's anything you'd like me to do in my next vlog, please do let me know. So that's where we're trying to get to. Do you see where the little boat is with the steps? That's my location, that's where I normally sit. So hopefully I can sit there, grab a drink and enjoy this gorgeous view of this beautiful marina. Right, okay, we're almost there. And while vlogging, one thing I noticed as well is I'm keeping fit. So, you know, it's part of the things I do. And when I wake up, I try to have a little walk, and then after that, then do a little bit of push up, and then before setting up for the day. Right. So I'm just back here. Right, so now I'm in my location now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the camera on a time lapse, probably have a drink and show you guys a little bit more of this beautiful marina. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to this channel, and also like the video, because when you like the video, you're telling YouTube to recommend our videos to multiple channels. So that's it. Let's enjoy the rest of the day, and hopefully we can get this video uploaded for you guys to watch. All right. So far so good, just enjoying the beautiful day, and hopefully we can probably wrap up soon. Yeah, let's continue this vlog. thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. Another episode just end like that. Thank you very much.